And just like that, you're halfway done with this course. And you're becoming so much more well versed in social policy and how it impacts all parts of social work. Week 4 is going to be about strengths-based Christian perspective on poverty and how we can look at income and asset-based social policies and programs. We're going to follow the same pattern that we have for the other weeks. So there's going to be a reading, there's going to be a devotional on the power of words, there's going to be a discussion board on poverty and faith integration. There's an assignment where you continue to develop that paper, the social policy paper you've been working on, along with your instructor. And then there's going to be an open book quiz that I think you're going to do fantastic on. I hope that your week goes smoothly in all aspects of your life, that you find time for play, that you find time for work, and you have find time for school, and that all those kind of seamlessly get brought together to help you just continue moving forward in your purposeful goal to become a Christian social worker. Peace.